This is a brand new 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include dual power seats, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, commercial-free satellite radio, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a rear parking aid, and an anti-theft protection system. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Miami Lakes Automall is located at 16600 Northwest 57th Avenue in Miami Lakes. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.